most usable sentence in the winter season. It is the season of winter and it is the most usable sentence in winter season. So hi friends, how are you? I hope you are great. So friends, I am fasiha from Noor's Seekho channel. So in this video, we are going to do some our daily based or basic life sentences Urdu to English. So friends, see the video to the end because the sentences that I am going to tell you that are very important. Okay, so number one sentence is अच्छे से खाओ. अच्छे से खाओ. Eat well. अच्छे से खाओ. Eat well. Second sentence. मेरा ख्याल नहीं. मेरा ख्याल नहीं. I don't think so. Okay. Next one is चलो आग सेकते हैं. चलो आग सेकते हैं. It is the most usable sentence in the winter season. It is the season of winter and it is the most usable sentence in winter season. ये sentence बहुत यूज होता है winter season में. चलो आग सेकते हैं. Let's bask the fire. Let's bask the fire. Next one. घर पर रहो. घर पर रहो. Stay at your home. घर पर रहो. Stay at your home. Next one. हम फिर खेलेंगे. हम फिर खेलेंगे. Then we will play. हम फिर खेलेंगे. Then we will play. Next one. मुझे तंग मत करो. मुझे तंग मत करो. Don't nag me or bother me. बदर और ये ब्रदर नहीं है, ये बदर है. बदर और नेक इन दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है. तंग तो हम यहाँ पे नेक भी यूज कर सकते हैं और बदर भी. डोंट बदर भी और डोंट नेक भी. नेक्स्ट वन. वो तुम्हारा वक्त था. वो तुम्हारा वक्त था. That was your time. That was your time. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. Next one. वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Okay. So last sentence is मुझे डर नहीं लगता. मुझे डर नहीं लगता. I don't fear. So friends, these are the sentences that we use in the life, our basic routine also. So friends, do you like the video? Like, subscribe and share. Take care. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.